Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. I'm back with yet another video. My exams are over and today I'm going to review something special because the vehicle and the brand is something special. Let me introduce the brand. It was founded by Ferdinand Porsche in Germany. Yes, it's a German brand and of course it's none other than Porsche. So talking about the vehicle, it was launched to celebrate the 10 years of Panamera. Yes, it is none other than the Porsche Panamera 4 10 years edition, and there is that beast. Here it is, the Porsche Panamera 4 10 years edition. It was launched to celebrate 10 years of the Panamera and it is a 4-door sports car. Now let me show you the key. Here is the key. There are 3 buttons to lock the vehicle, to unlock the vehicle and to open the boot. There's a Porsche logo also given over here. Now let me open the engine bay and we'll talk more about the heart of the matter. And there you go, the engine bay is open right now. Of course, hydraulics are given. Insulation is also provided over here. And here it is, the beautiful 2.9 liter V6 petrol engine. Porsche written over here, Porsche and 2.9 V6 written over here. Now let's talk about the engine, more further about the engine. That is, it is a 2.9 liter or 2894 cc petrol engine which produces a max power output of 326 bhp at 5400 rpm and a max torque output of 450 newton meters at 1750 rpm. Yeah, it is really powerful. Wow, what a machine, what an engine. Now let's close the engine bay and talk about the design of this vehicle. Now we'll talk about the design of the vehicle. We'll start off with the headlamps itself. These are LED matrix headlamps with cornering function. It also gets Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus or PDLS Plus. It also gets a headlamp washer, Porsche logo given over here. We get front parking sensors. Here is the indicator. An air intake is also placed over here. We also get a front camera which is given over here. Over here, the towing hook is placed. Now we'll move on to the side and check the elements in this side. Here we get an air intake which looks sporty. Below, Panamera 10 written over there. And the outside rear view mirrors. Wow, what a shape. Amazing. It gets side turn indicators which are obviously LEDs. You also get a camera which is placed over here along with a puddle lamp. And the doors. Door handle is finished in body color itself, black. B pillar is also finished in black. Now let me show you a cool feature. And there you go, it pulls in. Yes, it gets soft door close. Isn't it amazing? Cool. Here we get a quarter glass. Now we'll check the rear tire size. So the rear tire size happens to be 315 30 R21. It is slightly larger than the front tires. Large brake calipers given over here. Disc brake, large disc brake given over here. The brake calipers are finished in black along with Porsche written on it. I love the alloys. Isn't it amazing? Porsche logo given over here. As I told you, it gets 3-chamber air suspension. Now we'll move on to the rear of the vehicle. So now I am in the rear of the vehicle. Just look at the design. Wow, what a beauty. It gets a rear defogger, high mount stop lamp given over here. And this is a spoiler which can be deployed by the press of a button. and Porsche written over here in chrome, Panamera 4 written over here in chrome. The taillights, two taillights are attached over here, and obviously it gets LED taillights which look amazing. It looks superb at night especially. And coming below, here we get rear parking sensors. Here is the reverse parking camera. Towing hook is placed over here. Two sensors are given over here also, and reflector given over here. This is the silencer or the exhaust, which is finished in a brushed aluminium finishing, which looks super cool as well. We'll hear the exhaust note now. Now it's time to open the boot of the vehicle. It can be opened from here as well as the key. There you go, it is open. Here is the parcel tray which is attached over there, and here I think it is a reflector. This is the button to close the boot, reflectors on either sides, and there is an additional spare wheel. I think it is additional, and there is a 12 volt charging socket over there. Let me show you the spare wheel. Pirelli rubber, it's finished in red, the alloys, and 12 volt charging socket placed over here. There are lights placed on either sides, white lights. There are also speakers which are placed on either sides. There are two lights also placed over here. It is basically for the number plate. Now it's time to close the boot. Just press a button and there you go. Soft door close for the win. Now let's go to the interior of the vehicle. That's where the magic lies. There you go, the door is closed. Now let me remove my sunglasses. You don't have to close the door, soft door close for the win. It does your work. Now let's check the space. Do I have to check the space? I have ample amount of space. Legroom, awesome. Headroom, awesome. Under thigh support, superb. It gets heated functions in the rear seat. Two captain seats here, and the center console is extended till here, till the back, and the seats are scooped out, slightly scooped out, along with magazine holders given over here. And the door, here we get a sun blind, also a hook given over here in the B pillar. AC vents are also placed in the B pillar. The door handle, it is finished in nice aluminium finishing. These are the two buttons to lock and unlock the vehicle. It also gets memory functions, three levels. Also a speaker placed over here. Nice leather finishing. Wow, nice black finishing is also given over here, along with a white line. Power window switches given over here. It gets a Bose infotainment system or a sound system. Door pockets are also large enough. I think it can fit a 1 liter bottle easily. Over here we get a handle to hold on to, along with a hook and a light placement. White light. Panoramic sunroof, large panoramic sunroof given over here. I'll show it to you when I go to the front. We also get a rear armrest which can be opened. We have space over here. Now let's close it. And we'll talk about the seats right now. It is very comfortable. Wow, and it is kind of finished in a beige color, And headrests are fixed. It is made in a very sporty way along with Porsche logo given over here. The rear sunblind is electrically adjustable. You can control it with the power window switch itself. Just press it once and it comes down. And if you press it once more, the power window comes down. Press it once and it goes up back. Wow, isn't it cool? Now we'll talk about the center console in the rear. As I told you, it is extended till here. We get a screen over here along with AC vents. These are the air conditioning controls. It gets 4-zone climate control, and this button over here is used to recline the sunblind which is there in the back. Automatic climate control is also given over here. You can adjust it, and this is the screen. There is also navigation over here, as you can see. Over here we get 2 cup holders. Let me open it. Just press this button. There you go, it rises. We also get 2 charging ports given over here. Now let's close this and close this as well. Nice black finishing given over here. Wow, superb. Now let me bring back the rear sunblind just using a click of a button. Total privacy. The rear seats can be adjusted electrically. The controls are given over here. Similarly, we get controls on the other side as well. Here we get a scuff plate which says nothing, but is given in a kind of silverish finish. Now we'll move on to the front seats or the driver's seat of the vehicle. So right now I am sitting in the driver's seat of the Panamera 4 10 years edition, and wow, what a cockpit. So while you get in, the seat goes back and the steering goes up just to make it easier for you to sit inside, and for tall passenger it might be a bit of a task to get in because it is a low vehicle. So we'll start off with the steering wheel itself. So this is the steering wheel of the vehicle. We get paddles on the sides. Porsche logo given over here. We obviously get an airbag in the steering, chrome ring given over here. So these controls are for the infotainment system, that is this screen, and these switches are to control the the MID or the multi-information display. These 2 buttons over here are to answer a call or a decline a call. Nice steering wheel, absolutely phenomenal. Leather wrapped steering wheel also, and here is the cruise control buttons or options over here in the left side, and in the right side over here is the stock for the wipers. Gets automatic rain sensing wipers. On the left side it is for the indicators. The steering is adjustable electrically. There's a switch over here. It's only adjustable for height. This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. Let me turn on the ignition and show it to you. There you go, it rose to life. In the center is the tachometer or the RPM meter. Below it is the digital speedometer and the gear position indicator. On the left side we get the speedometer, analog speedometer, and on the beside the speedometer is the temperature meter. It's showing the outside temperature, and on the right side of this tachometer is the MID multi-information display, which is currently showing the map. You can toggle through it. It's showing the drive time, distance, average speed. It is also showing the fuel gauge and the temperature, and beside the temperature meter or the fuel gauge is the time. It's showing the time, date. You can toggle through it. Vehicle information like this, showing the tire pressure monitor. It also has tire pressure monitor, as you can see. It also has a G-force meter, and that is it. Isn't it amazing? Now we'll talk about the center console of the vehicle. So this is a frameless inside rear view mirror, which is obviously auto dimming. Over here we get a mic, I guess, or a speaker, and these two switches are to open the sun blind. This is to open the front sun blind, and this is to open the rear sun blind. I mean the sun blind of the sunroof. This is to turn on the camera. This is to turn off the parking sensors. Over here are the switches for the light. Over here is another switch for the light, and using this button you can turn on the lights in the rear seats. This is the switch to open the sunroof. From here you can turn on and turn off the passenger airbag. Now we'll open the sunroof. Let me open the sun blind first. And with just one press of a button, the sunroof opens. There you go. Here comes the wind deflector. Only that much. It goes only that much. Now let's close the sunroof. Just click it once, and there you go. The rear sunroof does not open. Now let's close the sun blind. And there you go, it is closed. We'll check the visors. We'll check the driver sun visor first. Over here we get a mirror along with a light. We'll check the co-driver sun visor. Same as the case over here, a mirror along with a light. We get a handle in the co-driver side. Even in the driver side we get a handle, and the seat belts are adjustable for height. Now let's talk about the center console, but before that we'll talk about the dashboard. Nice soft touch material given over here. It is very premium. Speakers given over here, one large speaker given over here, two small speakers placed on the either sides. There's an airbag also given over here along with an AC vent there, and the dashboard over here is finished in black along with Panamera 10 written over here. Just in case to tell you that this is a special edition. Air vent placed over there, I mean air conditioning vent placed over there. Nice silver kind of finishing given over here. So here is the screen. As you take your hand towards it, the the controls, it comes, and it also gets inbuilt navigation over here. It also gets climate control. You can control it. You can deploy the rear spoiler from here with just a press of a button. You can also recline the rear sun blind, also turn on the center vent that is placed in the back or the rear. Now let me show you the reverse parking camera. Here it is. It gets 360-degree parking camera. This is the side view. This is the rear view. This is the front camera. Isn't it cool? Over here we get an AC vent which closes when you turn off air conditioning and opens when you turn on the air conditioning. This switch over here is to toggle through the screen. These are touch sensitive controls given over here. Climate, apps, phone navigation and everything. This over here is to for the volume. Nice finishing given over here. And these are for the air conditioning controls. As I told you, it gets 4-zone climate control. Individual, that is for the front 2 zones, and in the rear we get 2 zones. This is the hazard light switch which is given over here, and this is the 8-speed automatic transmission. The now it is put into parking, that's why it's showing a light, red light. And this is for the auto mode or automatic air conditioning. This is for the heated or ventilated function. These are for the air conditioning controls. This is the individual driving mode. Electronic parking brake given over here, Panamera written over here. This switch over here is to turn off traction control. This is to set the ride height, and this is the sport mode. These are for the air conditioning controls. This is to turn on the ventilation or heating function for the co-driver seat. Over here we get 2 cup holders. Put the key over here. This can be opened by pressing a button over here. Over here we get some storage space along with a 12-volt charging socket and an USB port. Now let me close it. Now let us open the glove box, and it is a lockable unit. It has decent space enough, not decent, more than enough space inside. We get an SD card slot, 2 SD card slot and a slot for SIM. We also get a DVD drive. Wow. And it is a cool glove box. Now let me close it. There you go, it is closed. Now let's talk about the driver side controls. Here we get a vent, air conditioning vent placed over here, and this is to turn on the vehicle. You can use it to turn on the vehicle. We get automatic headlights. This is to turn on the parking lights. This is to put into high beam. This is to turn on the fog lamps. And over here, coming below, over here, this switch over here is to open the bonnet or the hood of the vehicle. Here is the fuse box. These are the pedals. It gets a proper dead pedal over here. A scuff plate is given over here which says Panamera 10, and the front driver seat is 8-way adjustable, and these are the controls over here. And the rear seats are 6-way adjustable electrically. Yes. Now let's talk about the driver door controls. Door handle, internal door handle given over here, nice aluminum kind of finishing. Gets two memory function. These two switches are to lock and unlock the vehicle. Nice black finishing given over here along with a white line. Nice leather finishing, feels very premium. Of course, speaker placed over here. And these switches are for the power window and the outside rear view mirror. The outside rear view mirror is electrically adjustable as well as retractable. All the power windows get one touch up down features, and these two switches are to open the boot and to close the boot. Yes, the boot can be opened and closed from here as well as the back and the key. Bose sound system given over here. A speaker is placed over here, and the door pockets is large enough, can fit in a 1 liter bottle easily as well as some other things. Here we get a light. Now I'll be telling you the additional features of this vehicle. That is, it gets park assist, and as part of safety features it gets 10 airbags. That is knee airbag, also ESP, ABS, EBD, all those. Also gets a limited slip differential along with tire pressure monitoring system and all-time 4-wheel drive also. It also gets hill hold control, hill descent control as well. Wow, so many safety features, of course, as it is a Porsche. Today I am going to start the Porsche Panamera 410 years edition. And there you go, the beast rose to life. What an exhaust note, amazing, I love it. So, the 0 to 100, this vehicle takes 5.3 seconds. It is pretty quick, wow. Unfortunately, I can't drive the vehicle because I am under 18 years of age, and according to the law, I can't drive the vehicle. So now it's time to end this video, but before ending, let me tell you about the Panamera 410 year edition. It is a superb vehicle whatsoever. It has superb features, LED matrix lights and so on. In fact, this is Kerala's first Panamera 410 year edition. I am really lucky, and I had gone for a small drive. My dad drove, but I couldn't take a video because I was completely into it. I was enjoying the drive actually. What a feeling it was. Amazing. Now I'd like to call a special person, introduce a special person. You might have seen him in other videos as well. Please come. So this is Fahim bro. You might have seen him in the Endeavour Sport vlog. You will see him in other future vlogs as well. Would you like to tell a few words about me?
All the best for your future journey. keep entertaining and keep updating everything about cars. And all the best.
Thank you. Here is the key.
Thank you.
It is an amazing car. So now it's time to end this video. If you like it, make sure to click the like button. Also click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. So till then, all the best. Wear a helmet while riding a bike. Also wear a seat belt while driving a car.